To being able to actually translate slides, you need to provide your API key to the add-in. So after you have created them for either Google Translate or for DeepL, you can provide the key via the translation settings. Just click on here, and then you can either provide it for Google Translate or for DeepL. Let's start with Google. Just provide your API key here. Usually this button should be selected automatically. Otherwise, just click on here that Google Translate should be your default translation service. Then click on Save, and then you can run the translation functionality. So let's say we want to translate the whole slide here. Click on Translate. Then you can pick the language you would like to translate it to from here. Let's say let's go for Arabic, and then say all currently selected slides, and just click on I agree and translate, and your slide will be translated to Arabic, so your target language. In case you want to add more than one service, you can go back to translation settings and also provide another key for DeepL. So you can provide both API keys at the same time. It doesn't change a lot here. So let's do that. So here goes the DeepL.com key. Let's click the service here and then save the settings. And now we can also run translation, and now using the DeepL API. So again, let's go to translate text, pick one language. As you can see here, the language which is available to translate to adjusts to the service you've chosen. DeepL supports little less languages than Google Translate, but quality is far higher. So let's go with Dutch and say currently selected slides, and then go to I agree and perform translation. And this then translates your text into Dutch. And if you just want to switch between different translation services, so let's say for some special purpose you think that one service works better than the other, just go to translation settings and then just switch between those two, which is the only thing you need to change, and then you can use this service as your default service. Same applies to when you want to change an API key. Maybe that you've just generated your new API key, just replace the old one, click on Save, and you should be good to go. So this is how you provide your API key, change the default translation service, and replace a currently existing API key with a new one.